Anyway, moving on. Season 3, episode 11 of Barnyard BBQ. Use some more double coins of Hinui. I'm assuming I prepped some more double coins of Hinui before recording the next part. I remember accidentally chopping up the steak in the previous episode. So, I mean yesterday's video. We're finally getting a bit of getting a dish on that. This Gus wants shredded brisket with barbecue sauce. Chop on the smoker to light the fire. It takes a while to blaze. Tap on the steak. Place it on the chopping block. Wait for it to be chopped. Pick it up. Pick up the chopped steak. Now that is blazing, but the steak in the smoker. Let it cook. Grab it. Add barbecue sauce and serve. Yeah, I'm probably going to want to chop another one of those up because someone will probably want it. Yep, I guessed right. Good thing I know how to run quickly, like the jackrabbit who is late for a very important date. Well, as you know, it's from Alice in Wonderland. So, speaking of Alice in Wonderland, that's a venue based on Alice in Wonderland, Wonderland Delights. Stay tuned on Eternity for Wonderland Delights coming some point in April. Again, only 3 stars. It's going to be a pretty close, it's going to be a very, right then, next one, Season 3, Episode 12. Yet another double coins for Hinui. Yep, we've got 2 more of those. Oh no, 500 coins, that's, going to be even steeper. We don't have long left. We need to speed up a little bit because time's about to run out and, if we don't step it up, we'll fail. I'm only made it to 1 star though. Oh, this is bad. 550 coins. It's our next goal for our next level. Kinda just wish it went down. But these are only 3 levels left to play. This is currently 43 out of 45. I had no time to serve those dishes, but I got to 3 stars. I knew I completed the daily challenge based on prep kitchen recipes anyway, so you don't need to go to the prep kitchen. You can collect the double coins from Hinui. 525 coins, that's gone down slightly. So in for a bit of sunny spells. Swipe. Oh, another double coins to Hinui. We have another double coins to Hinui in the next level because it's been helping me quite a lot because it's probably the highest when it comes to coin range and fame range in this venue so far. Also, not counting double coins of Petty, which we don't have. Thanks, but I'd rather do that later. Because I'm in the middle of this. You know, I might actually reconsider doing Power Rangers Legacy Wars on Eternity one day. Maybe I might do it on a bigger screen, probably a Google Play device. Maybe the BlueStacks emulator, if I can. But the problem is, it's only touchscreen control, not keyboard control. I might just want to do it on a system, but not the iPod Touch because it's awfully laggy. Alright, 1 star finally. God. Holy God. Holy God. No! That was not what I wanted to do. Wow. That was so close. And finally on one more level of Barnyard BBQ. And then it's on to the next venue, and if we've completed this next one, we'll get 3 bits of gold. Great, we just about one more double coins to Hinui. We need 550 coins, which is the steepest of all. But we need to pick ourselves up now because... yeah, we done plenty in Barnyard BBQ these past 3 days. I didn't think this would be easier, but the worst is yet to come when it comes to tougher venues. Because Enzo Sushi's next, and that's one of the tough guns. Because of the sushi. But I have to do it for the YouTube, for YouTube. There we go, first star. I'll probably be the only star in this level, so... wow. That was so close, but we managed to beat Barnyard BBQ. Wow, you rocked out the barbecued meat express. All our customers got off the train at Full Belly Station. Yep, they really served the beef tidal wave. Yep, I hope that everyone... okay, I'm really tired of those metaphors. Yeah, I'm probably going to wait till I get more gold. There we go, that's Barnyard BBQ finally complete. Thought we'd never get out. So tomorrow, next week, we'll be showing off one of the tougher ones, and that is... Enzo Sushi. Now, we need to make sure that it's not going to be too hard for us, so that we can pick ourselves up with plenty of momentum, so yeah. All it takes is a lot of power and effort. And patience and all that. We need it to work, so yeah, anyway, I'm not going to get into any further detail on that, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Eternity channel and its sister channel, Eternity Vlogging, if you are interested. And yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.